Bakit you chose this moment to give tribute to your mom?
Since last performance namin, we gave a Whitney Houston. We wanted to try another one that would dedicate to mothers, and na timing na we chose a song from Celine Dion na Because You Love Me. Feeling ko bagay sa nanay to.
Pero yung song na yun, parang hindi siya talaga for mother, di ba?
Oo.
In-interpret lang po namin. Parang nabasa namin, pwede itong kantahin for mother.
Actually, universal kasi yung song, pero at this moment, gusto nyo specify, i-target mismo yung sa nanay.
Sa nanay.
Diba?
Apo.
You're my strength.
Heartwarming.
Super.
Heartwarming song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, MC?
Yes, of course. Very heartwarming.
While they were singing, what was happening to you when you were hearing their song?
Yes, I was, amazing. It was amazing.
If there is one song that you would like to dedicate to your mother, what song will that be and why?
Oh, what a very difficult question. So, what will I dedicate to my mother?
Yes.
Okay.
Ba't ka English?
Mama
Mama.
Ah.
Ah.
by Spice Girls.
Yeah.
Mama by Spice Girls. Mama, I love you.
Ay, ang galing.
Oo, ang galing lalo na kung hindi kayo yung kumanta. Mama, okay.
How about you?
Yes.
Yeah, I think Mama
Mama,
Mama
by...
by the Queen.
Queen?
May kanta pa sila nun.
Mama, I killed the man.
Bohemian Rhapsody yan.
Put a
What I
gun
killed?
against his head. I pulled at the trigger, now he's dead. Mama. Oh.
Bohemian Rhapsody
din yun.
yun. Bohemian
patayan.
Rhapsody yun.
May patayan.
Basta may mama din yun.
Okay.
Pasok sa banga yun. Ayan, maraming salamat. And congrats kay Jerry, hindi ka paus today.
Oo nga.
Yes.
Buti na lang.
Nairaos mo. Oo.